get me high enough. High enough. You don't get me high enough. High enough. You don't get me high enough.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro. It was from my buddy Jeremiah Davis, also known as That One Blonde Kid. Now, he just created an awesome Twitch effects pack for Premiere and Final Cut. This effects pack will give you everything you need in order to create this black and white Twitch effect. You can click the link in the description down below and be sure to use Kyler25 in order to get 25% off the pack. When you download the pack, all you have to do is right click on presets and select import presets. Navigate to wherever you downloaded the preset and click open. Once you click open, you will see a folder that is labeled That One Blonde Kid, and in that folder, we have a couple different options from abstract, circle, custom, and square. Before we jump into the tutorial and showing you how to create this effect, I want to let you know that you can modify everything about this effects pack, from changing it from black and white to color, as well as the brightness and contrast by decreasing or increasing the brightness to get your own look that you want. And you can also manipulate the grid to remove or add those grid lines. The main bulk of the effect is within these wave warps, where you can manipulate the actual wave height and how it looks when it's being manipulated. So you can really manipulate this transition to your own liking. As well as the VR digital glitch effect will add those color and kind of like an RGB effect going on if you want more or less of that. Play around in this area. And then the crop tool, you can crop your effect anywhere. We're going to get started with these clips right here. So all you have to do in order to apply this effect is find an area that you want to apply the effect to. So what you want to do is hold Alt or Option on your keyboard and drag above your video clip. That will duplicate your clip on top, and then select an area that you want to apply the clip to. So let's say this point to that point. All you have to do is hit C on your keyboard and hit a cut there and hit a cut there as well. Delete the rest, and we want to just double check and make sure that speed works good for us. So on this clip right here, all you have to do is navigate to the effects panel and go down to That One Blonde Kids folder, and you can start to play with any of these options. They are all the same effect, but some of them have just different variables. We're going to start with That One Blonde Kid Twitch Square effect and apply that to our clip. So as soon as you apply it to the clip, it's going to give us that look that we are looking for, and it happens so fast. But here's the fun thing. With the square, we can go down to the crop area and change our parameters around a little bit to get our desired effect. So let's drag that up there. Let's drag our top up a little bit so we can get some of the head, and let's drag our right all the way to the right. So this is a line. Cool, I like how that looks. And moving forward, let's jump onto this image. As you can see, there's a horse looking at us. So just like last time, I'm going to hold Alt or Option and drag up to duplicate that video layer. And then I'm going to select my length of the glitch that I want to happen. And then all I have to do is go to the effects tab, and let's drag on That One Blonde Kid Twitch circle effect onto our image. And you can see right away we have a glitchy circle going on. So let's go in here and select the mask options and resize this to fit somewhere in the horse's eye, because I think this might be a cool little option. So I just dragged the effect on and I resized it to the eye, and with this mask we can manipulate the mask path as well, so we can keyframe this. So I'm going to hit keyframe toggle, and I'm going to go a little bit towards the beginning, and as you can see our mask is moving. So I'm going to simply drag our mask over there and then play back through this and see what it looks like. So our glitch effect is moving with the horse's eye, and the fun thing is with Premiere you can manipulate everything. So let's drag the mask feather up a tiny bit to blend this in with our scene. So that looks very smooth. So let's keep going on with the clips and see what we can do. So we're going to hold Alt on our keyboard and drag that image up. And then from here, let's go to the effects tab and drag on the That One Blonde Kid Twitch custom. And this will apply that effect to the entire image. Since this is on the custom one, we can go to the opacity tab and select our pen tool and basically make our own custom outline if we want to. We're going to drag on the square effect. And as you can see right away, it's kind of hard to see what is going on. That is because this is a really dark image. Now, your image will change over time. So for this one, I'm going to increase the brightness, let's say up to 88, and decrease the contrast down to 0 and see what that looks like. And then I'm going to adjust the crop a little bit more and drag that up from the bottom. And that looks like that. Well, I hope you guys learned something today, and if you did, please let me know down below. Hit that like button, and if you're new, consider subscribing, because I'm going to be making some new stuff in the future. Huge shout out to Jeremiah Davis. I'll see you next time.